and the jukebox is starting to play, and the sign on the wall says, "In God we trust, all others have to pay." And it's 2 in the morning on Saturday night at Rosalie's Good Eats Cafe. The short order cook with the mama tattoo